What's up, guys? Will Solana see a price under $100 very shortly? Okay, that's what I want to talk to you guys about in this video. Make sure you guys all stick around to the end. As always, subscribe down below if you have not yet done so here on the channel. If you guys are returning, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Welcome back, and let's talk some crypto. All right, I want to share with you guys exactly what's going on with Solana. I'm going to pull it up here on the trading view. That way we can show exactly what's going down. We're seeing crypto pulling back. We're having a green day today. But this is something where you look into what's happening. We're one day away. One day away from that Bitcoin halving. Okay. Solana's on a little bit of a pullback. We're still seeing momentum down. I'm going to share with you guys my screen here very shortly. And you can see right here what I'm looking at on the trading view. Dipping down below that second moving average just briefly. Bouncing off of it, though, we're trading at 134.82. This is something where we look into Solana. How low can we go? All right, are we going to go back down to this level? Probably not. But the way we're kind of playing it is $100 for Solana will be right here. So just above that third moving average, kind of giving back all of this gain. If we zoom out, it's kind of weird to look at it, because it feels like Solana has been just flourishing. But this little peak is all it's been, guys, right? It's all it's been, really, since February to where we're at right now in April. Just a little bit of a flurry of bullishness, and now that's been basically almost more than half wiped away. Okay, but that's what we're looking at. Apologies for my voice; it's a little bit harsh. Recovering from some strep throat, so I'm going to try to keep this short and sweet. But I want to share with you guys if this pre-halving correction will push Solana down below 100, because there's a lot of people that I know that have been buying Solana up, buying the dips, and we've talked about Solana seeing above $150 and now hitting these crucial ever so support levels. This is something where it's going to be very fascinating to watch, right? Is this an entry point? Will we drop below $100? Will we drop even further? Those are going to be questions we're all going to be answering here very shortly, okay? Because tomorrow it is coming. The Bitcoin halving is here. Historically, for context, it has not been a full of a news kind of day. It's usually a lack of all nothing. It's a lack of news. It's kind of a it's not something where there's going to be a lot of headlines, right? We usually get our news 6, 7, 8 months down the road when Bitcoin has like essentially doubled or higher historically following the halving, okay? But we're testing that 100-day moving average. That's where we look for more rejection. If we get that, then we have to worry, okay? But as we currently trade at about $134, as I've showed you, that's kind of what we're looking at. And it's important to understand that how this goes for the long term, right? Solana, as we all know, is an extremely volatile crypto. So if you guys are looking for it for a week, a month, then yeah, you need to care about all this stuff. But if you're in it for the long haul and you believe in some of the price predictions, $450, $500, $600 Solana, then, and you're not planning on trading it, you're just going to stake it or lock it up in a safe place and store it away, then maybe this doesn't apply to you as much. But that's kind of how I view it, okay? And those are the arguments for what you should be doing. But also, we have seen this where we could bounce back and even cross over $200. That's something where within the more volatile market that we're in, we have a very much a kind of a ace in the hole, right? There's always been a support trend line where Solana has bounced back as we've tested that what they call the 38% Fibonacci level, okay? And now when that happens and they test that, Solana has historically ignited itself and has seen huge, huge gains, okay? But also, if we have a lot of, pressure alongside of the supply, we could see Solana even nosedive even further and then test and challenge that $100 level, okay? And that's kind of what we're looking at. So follow the moving averages. We need to see what we're doing within a couple of these Fibonacci lines, as well as, like I said, the 100-day moving average is a big one, right? Because when we have the 50-day fail, that's where we need to see a bounce back on that 100-day moving average to kind of validate what we're looking at on the charts and show you exactly what Solana is going to do. But when we look at this chart, we see this pullback 2, pullback 1. That's kind of how I look at it within crypto, right? Historically, within these Bitcoin halvings, we've seen two corrections. For me, This is not financial advice, just how I view it. This is correction 1, and this is correction 2. All right. And this, for lack of better words, this has been a little bit far along than the first one. But moving forward, we get past the 19th. We get some momentum. We get some FOMO. We get some steam coming up from the Bitcoin halving. I think Solana can be a very much better than most crypto in terms of a beneficiary of having some of this rallying that we're possibly going to see with another Bitcoin come up. Okay, so this could be the last chance. That basically could mean what exactly this video is going to be about is this could be the last chance you have to buy Solana close to $100 price tag. So that's what I wanted to get across to you guys in this video. For those of you that do not know, please subscribe right here on the channel. We talk crypto every single day, all your favorite cryptos out there. I apologize, like I said, for my voice being a little bit off. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be back up and at it in more full strength. Strep throat, it's a horrible virus or whatever it is. I never had it before. But it completely wiped me out for a week. So apologies for the lack of content. Please subscribe down below, though, if you guys are new to the channel. Appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. And we'll see you guys all in the next video as we await this ever so important Bitcoin halving tomorrow. Cheers.